Hello BIM learners, welcome to bimmodeler.com. I hope you remember this exercise file. I have taken it from the previous tutorial, tiles layout. So when you apply a material for tiles or any ceiling with the patterns, and you have an option and you will be able to move the patterns itself. It's a trick that you can do it by having a mouse over there and use the tab key multiple times to select the segment that you wanted to move. And in this case, we can see that there is an uneven patterns between the tiles pattern between these two elements, and you can select any one of the pattern and you can move it using your cursor left and right like this. And also you can move it further any distance that you want to keep it, like any gaps. You can have your dimension and with the element that you have like these on the other side as well. Now you will be able to perfectly align them. You can select it and you can assign them whatever the value you are calculating that you want to assign. So for in this case, I like to go with 6 inch and 7 inch will suit. I can see that, and I can tab and make it change here. Now both the side is equal distanced. So this way you'll have a proper construction document in each ways. Not only this, you have a ability and you will be able to select the segment like this, and you will be able to use the rotate command RO, and you can have your cursor anywhere that you want it, and you can rotate it the degree that you want to have. For example, 35 degree. The whole pattern is rotating, and you can see that the dimension is deleting because it's no longer it's maintaining this position. So I'll be removing the references. So in this way, you can have your patterns as in the direction that you wanted or the position that you wanted. You will be able to control them. I hope this tutorial or the trick helped you. Do let me know if you have any questions related to Revit or any BIM tools that you are using. And we are making this as a series of tutorial, and we are going ahead 100-day challenge. Do support us on that. Thank you so much. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.